This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by John Joyner. New home under construction. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, open floor plan. All LED lighting, cathedral ceilings in great room, tray ceiling in master. Laminate flooring in living room, kitchen, dining, and hallway. Tile flooring in master bath, guest bathroom and laundry room. Carpet in bedrooms. Large approximately 14 by 18 master bedroom, with walk-in closet and double bowl vanity in master bathroom. 10 by 10 deck out back and plenty of storage area in the crawlspace. Completion date mid to late January. Close to Knox County, low Union County property taxes. No taxes for 2020, tax assessor's office to reevaluate in 2021. Buyer/buyer's agent to verify all measurements.Owner/agent for more.